Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to factory reset an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your phone. Once you are on your settings page, tap on general. Now scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. This option is provided by Apple. Now tap erase all contents and settings at the bottom of your screen. You may see a summary of what will be deleted and then tap continue. Enter your iPhone passcode. Enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone. This step is required for security. Tap Erase iPhone. The iPhone will now turn off Erase all data and restart automatically. This process takes a few minutes. Once finished, you will see the hello screen. You can set up as a new iPhone or restore from an iCloud or computer backup. And that's it. Now you know how to factory reset an iPhone in simple steps. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.